reviews, yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to Living Life with Lisa. Hi, welcome back to the channel everyone. Y'all, yes, I do have on the same shirt from the other video. Y'all know how I do when I'm feeling good. I record video after video after video. Because what I do, y'all, is I write a list of videos that I want to do. So I go off of that list and record those videos. And sometimes along the way I'll plug, you know, maybe a challenge in or something like that. But for the most part, I have my list that I'm going to do. So today has been an awesome day. I have been feeling like recording, so I take advantage of those days. So I did not switch my shirt. I got my same shirt on. So that's what it is, y'all. Okay. So anywho, let's get into this video, y'all. Today's video is being sponsored by Malacasa. Now, if you guys have been here, you all know that I've done several sponsorships from Malacasa. And Malacasa is a company that has different type of kitchenware, okay? So if you're not familiar with Malacasa, you need to go back and check out some of my videos because I have sponsored some of their dishes, you guys. So today, let's do an unboxing. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel. And I need for everyone to click that thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Click that thumb up because it helps the channel. And I know y'all want to help the channel. Now, I'm only supposed to be taking one box out of here. So I'm going to take one box out of here because there's another box in there. And it is for another sponsorship, okay? So yes, when you do sponsorships, try that again. When you do sponsorships, there are guidelines, okay? So let's follow the guidelines, okay? Now, this one right here, what we're opening, it's going to be some bouillon cups that you could possibly use for like soup and things like that. Let's see what we have in the box. Like I said before, y'all, I need to invest in me a box cutter and stop ruining these scissors. One thing about Malacasa, y'all, I can say that I love their kitchenware, and I love how they package everything so it can get to you in one piece. The packaging is awesome, y'all. So if you all saw my last Malacasa sponsorship, you saw this, okay? Look at the marble, look at the pattern, okay? Now you see it. Now you don't. So now today we have, look at there, y'all, this soup bowl. Look at there. Aren't those are so adorable, you guys? It's a set of 6. Oh, y'all. I'm going to want to have dinner parties just to showcase all of my Malacasa serving dishes and cups and bowls and so on and so forth. Y'all, look at this marble gray, y'all. These are gorgeous. And look at the handles. They are so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, y'all, the detail of this marbleization is something serious. And look at my nails. They match the soup bowls. Look, y'all. These are too cute. And you all of Malacasa products are very affordable. They are. These bowls, you all, are bouillon bowls. They're soup bowls. You guys can use these for your cereal, your grits. These bowls are nice, you guys. And it does not say, it just says that, okay, they're dishwasher, microwave, and oven safe. Y'all, I keep telling y'all with Malacasa, if you guys have not clicked on the link for my Amazon store to shop these Malacasa products, I don't know what you're waiting on. Everything is dishwasher, oven, and microwavable safe, y'all. I can just put my little chicken noodle soup up in here, stick it in the microwave, and there you go. They are so cute, you guys. They are porcelain. They are professional porcelain. It's not the little cheap stuff, flimsy stuff. There are no types of nicks or cracks or anything on these bouillon bowls. These are so cute, guys, and they come in a set of 6. They're very durable. You can use these for every day, or like I said, you can use them, you know, for a dinner party. And look, to save space, they are what? Stackable. They're stackable, you guys. Aren't these gorgeous? You all need to get your set. You can give these as a gift. This would be a perfect gift to give someone. These are really, really nice, you guys. I like them. Y'all, I'm not saying this because they're just saying this because they're sponsoring the video. Yay, they're sponsoring the video. Great for me. But I am loving the pieces, y'all. I am loving the pieces that they are sending me. And look. Look at this casserole dish. Same pattern. Same pattern. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous, you guys. I cannot wait to see what's in the other box. Y'all, this is gorgeous. And these are space savers, y'all. You don't have to spread them out all on one shelf. You can stack them up, as you can see, to save space in your cabinets or wherever you may house them. But yeah, guys, get you some of these bouillon soup bowls. They're porcelain, they're microwavable, they're oven, and they're dishwasher safe. Yes, y'all don't want to miss out. Thank you again so much, Malacasa, for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the good quality in the products that you guys are sending to me. I haven't had a problem with anything, with any of the products that you all have sent. So y'all try these out. You won't be disappointed. Now, I keep telling y'all are missing out. Alright, you all, if this is your first time here, go ahead and consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, okay? And leave me a comment down below. But before we go, check out what I've decided to put in my bouillon bowl. Alright, you guys, take a look at my members. Y'all know I have to show off my members, honey. I have to show them off. Y'all don't forget to go and check them out and let them know You came from Living Life with Lisa. All right, guys, check out my members. And until next time, stay safe and be blessed. Bye-bye.
We just living life with Lisa. Hey, it's nice to meet ya.
We just living life with Lisa. We just living life.
We just living life with Lisa. Hey, it's nice to meet ya.
We just living life with Lisa. We just living life.
We just living life with Lisa. Hey, it's nice to meet ya.
We just living life with Lisa. We just living life.
We just living life with Lisa. Hey, it's nice to meet ya.
We just living life with Lisa. We just living life.
Make sure you subscribe, like reviews, yeah. Hey, it's about to go down. Have a good time. All you gotta do, yeah, is scroll on down and click that button if you wanna see more dope content, and that's for sure. Tell a friend so they can tell more, and make sure you share before you go. Comment if you like what you see. We making moves, ain't no time to take seats. We living life all 2020. Lisa gon' talk to the peeps. With Lisa. Hey, it's nice to meet ya.
We just living life with Lisa. We just living life.
We just living life with Lisa. Hey, it's nice to meet ya.
We just living life with Lisa. We just living life.
We just living life with Lisa. Hey, it's nice to meet ya.
We just living life with Lisa. We just living life.
We just living life with Lisa. Hey, it's nice to meet ya.
We just living life with Lisa. We just living life with
Make sure you subscribe,